What's up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES. I have here the newly released Ramon Chaves Ultramar 229 based off his 228 model. This is a collaboration with Reate. They have done the manufacturing on this. This is his design. They come in four finishes. Four blades, two different finishes. So this is the Tanto edge, and it's got a hand-rubbed finish. Really nice. All come blasted titanium pocket clip, skull pocket clip signature. And then this is the drop point, hand rubbed. They all fire like a rocket. And then the Tanto machine or belt satin finish, as he's referring to it in his listings. So we have as well belt satin Tanto, and then you have the belt satin drop point. So you've got two blade styles, drop point and Tanto, and then you have belt satin and hand rub satin. So these four, $375 for the hand rub, $350 for the belt finish. And these are on the website now. Actually, I did a pre-order on these, so a lot of them are gone. But I think I've got a few of the, at the time of this recording, I think I've got a few of the hand satin Tanto edge right here. The drop point is gone, and I think all the machine finish is gone. So anyway, I've got these available, and then I've had a ton of questions on the size difference between the previous model he released with Ultramar, which was the Redencion Street. So I have one of those here. It's an all titanium handle as well. So I've got this one. You can see the comparison in the size. So this is these two together. So you can see fairly close. The handle is a little bit bigger on the 229. It's a little beefier, but not huge. It's not like a drastic size difference, but the handle's definitely chunkier. So you can see that it's a little bit thicker and a little bit longer. But these are the two models. So this is the Street, this is the 229. So if you have any questions, you can call or text me, Clayton at eknives.com, 423-525-9477. And these are on the website. If you go under eknives.com, you can click on the Chaves Knives under brands at the top, and you'll find these. I think I've got a link at the top too for the 229s, so you should be able to find these pretty easily. But anyway, eknives.com. Thanks for watching, guys.